Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to write an equation from words. So we can start by looking out for some keywords when they're placed. So let's start with words for addition. Okay, so some keywords for addition could be some, more, so like P more than Q or something like that, plus, or increased by. For subtraction, words to look out for include fewer than, subtracted from, less than, or minus. So a good way to do this is just by doing some examples. So let's start with 10 and P more equals 181. So it says P more, so we know that's addition. So let's just write it 10 and P more, so that's plus P equals 181. Because I guess we can, for equals, for to know where to put an equal sign, you can look for, here, let's fix for an equals. So some things is equals, the same as, is equal to, or is the same as. Okay, so let's try another example. 367 fewer than m is the same as 27. So 367 fewer than m. So this one's a little more tricky because it goes m, because this is minus 367 because it's fewer than m, and it's the same as 27. Does that make sense? Okay, let's try another example. 122 equals the sum of u and 328. So we're going to write it as it's written. So instead of having equals at the end, we're going to start with 122 equals the sum of, so we know that's addition, u plus 328. Does that make sense? Let's do a few more examples, and I'll give you a little more time on these to try them out yourself. Okay, so the first one will be 215 plus b is the same as 219. Another example will be 85 is equal to 4 subtracted from b. And the last example will be 44 is the same as b less than 167. Okay, so I'll give you a few seconds to do that, to try these out yourself before we try them. Okay, you can pause it if you need more time, or we can keep going through. So this one is 215 plus b is the same as 219. So we know plus is addition, so we're going to write it as it says it. 215 plus B is the same as or equals 219. Okay, so then the next one is a little different because, so we're gonna write it as it is, except we have to, when it's subtracted from, we gotta do that. So it's 85 is equal to 4 subtracted from B. So that is not 4 minus B because 4 is being subtracted from B, so it's written like that. And then the last one is 44 is the same as or equals V less than 167. So this is minus V because it's less, because V is less than 167. So make sure when you do subtraction, you keep an eye out from what's actually being subtracted from what. And I think you'll be good. Have a great day, guys.